Negative news articles, bad reviews, or leaked content showing up when someone searches your name or business? Don't worry, you have options. Today we're diving into reverse SEO, a powerful strategy to push down unwanted content and restore your online reputation. Reverse SEO is the process of lowering the ranking of negative or harmful content in search engines like Google. Instead of boosting one page, you're focusing on de-ranking damaging links by making more positive, high-quality content rank higher. Here's the formula. Create fresh, authoritative content. Blog posts, websites, articles, profiles. Optimize that content for relevant keywords, your name, brand, or business. Build backlinks and internal links to strengthen your positive pages. Outrank the negative links with better, more trustworthy content. When Google sees your positive content as more relevant and authoritative, it moves harmful links lower in search results. Launch personal or business websites. A well-optimized website with your name can dominate search results. Publish SEO blog articles. Target your name, brand, and reputation keywords. Strengthen social media profiles. Actively update LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube accounts. Earn media mentions, get interviewed, publish guest posts, or collaborate with trusted platforms. Reverse SEO is a long-term strategy. Results don't happen overnight. But with consistent, high-quality publishing and SEO work, you'll gradually push harmful links off page one. At Leak Content Removal, we specialize in building aggressive, tailored, reverse SEO campaigns to suppress negative links, helping you control the narrative about yourself or your brand. You don't have to live with a bad first impression online. With smart reverse SEO tactics, you can take back your reputation and showcase the real you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Need urgent help suppressing harmful content? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. We're here to protect your digital future.